Alright, boys and girls. So, everything's here. And it's a tire machine. Alright. Doing unboxing in this burning hot place. Holy macaroni. So. Crack some new concrete. So we're working here. It's a lift. Let's see what we got. Let me cut this off here. Hold on. Alrighty. Nicely wrapped. Nicely packed, this thing. For something so big and heavy. Big chains. I went and looked at the neighbor's pole building around the corner. The guy who put me on to pioneer here. And wow, his building is smaller than this one. I thought it was like I thought his was big. I think his is like from there to the edge of my window, I think. Let me see. No, to this pole here. Yeah, and across to about between the outlet and the post. That's his building, I think. And that's what I didn't want to do. Look at the packaging here. Manga. Packaging is like out of this world over here. Yeah, I didn't want to go small and then have to build something there, because he's telling me, oh, we're going to put something off to the side over here and a lean-to or something. I didn't want to do or get into that. That's why I went big from the beginning, got the permits, got everything, did everything straight up. Play no games. He said his taxes went up. He don't know, but he said he wants to say 300. So this is probably for the year, I think it was. 300 for the year. So this one's probably going to be maybe 500 for the year. Which I'm cool with. That's not too bad. Do a couple of tire changes on the side here. Couple of tune-ups. Pay for that. Oh, this thing is nicely packed, man. Well, like I was saying, man, I should have took a video of getting this thing. Me and Danny in Jersey getting this thing on the trailer. Holy banana head. They didn't tell me to bring the thing. What are these things? Damage over here? Eh? These are the extensions, I guess. Yeah. That doesn't give you a lot of height, though. Paperwork here, instructions. Yeah, those instructions are not for this one, because that's not the one I got. With that, I'm telling you, he gave me the wrong lift. Because that's not the one I wanted. Oh, okay, what is that? Let me see. Oh, this is probably instructions for all of them, all in one, you know? I gotta make sure because I don't want to unpack it too much. Yeah, see, that's the top bar. That's the top bar, right? No, this is one of the things. Shoot. That's an extension. We go on to there. What does that say? This is a AKM 120. 12,000 pound capacity. It's gotta be it. Whew. It's hot in here. I better open up this back door. Get some cross ventilation over here. Let me open this up here. Oh, wow. Look at the difference. The air just blows right through. That's why I put that back door. Get that cross ventilation, see? Got the windows. Let me open up this door, then you feel the real breeze in here, because it's 95 degrees today. Unbelievable. Alright, so that's the lift. And let's do something special here because it gets really wrapped up here. Yeah, feel that breeze? Woo! Huh? Can you guys feel the breeze? Yes, there we go. I still gotta unbolt all that. I mean, I'll finish the video when my daughter and Danny are here. This is where we strapped it with the chain. Me and Danny really cinched it down. My daughter was saying on the phone, "Don't scratch it." Alright, what do you mean you don't scratch it? Alright. Let's open up this. This is the balancer. Let me get it all open. I'll get back on here. And there she is. It's 110. On and off. It's a wheel measurer. That's what it looks like. This is the computer screen. Sit right on there. Boom. Alright. This is the thing that covers the tire. And this is a measurer. See? To give you the measurement of the wheel. Box down there with some goodies in it. Alright. Open up the other one. Let me get it all ripped open here. Well, this is just the arm, the helper arm. My daughter wanted this one because it does low profile wheels without touching them somehow. I don't know. Let's get the rest of this open. That was in that box. Let's get the rest of it open. Again, beautifully wrapped. I told the guy around the corner. I'll tell you what I'm talking about. He's down there, you see it? He's got the red roof. He does old cars in there, he said. Can I zoom in? No, there we go. There's his shop. There he is. His son is out there. What are you doing over there, eh? Yeah. So I'm gonna cut this open. See what it look like here. I'm sure there's no damage. You know Dominic Damuch? Dominic Danuch. Danucci! Remember Angelo Danny? Dominic Danucci! Used to call you Danucci! Alright, here we go. I bought all this really because I change a lot of tires on the trailers, and I do it by hand with the Harbor Freight little handheld one. And I'm done with that, dude. I'm done with that. Alright, so I don't see any damage here. But this is like a pow, blows the tire on and everything. Comes with the paperwork. Comes with the plastic so you don't damage the wheels. Yeah, this is hey, yeah. Can't wait to connect all this together. This all set up. Try some tires. They even give you a thing to put around the wheel. These might be feet. The thing is so heavy that it ain't, you know what I mean? You don't need. You don't need what do you call it? So this, put this here. We gotta get the hands off, we gotta move it around. See where it's gonna go. My daughter thinks it should go over there on that side because we're gonna have the toolboxes here. Let's see. Yeah, you see workbench. Workbench is gonna go from this is a toolbox from here to that post, big toolbox. From there to here, workbench, and I was gonna make another bench to here out of concrete. You know? So I got outlets here. Maybe I'm gonna put those over here, along here, but I was gonna put the welders here too. The big welder I was gonna put in that corner on a shelf with the 100 feet of, the stick weld, 100 feet of cord I have. It'll go all the way outside around the building. And I'm just gonna put like a 30 or 40 foot extension cord for the MIG welder. It's gonna stay in here. Be able to reach all over here. It'll go outside a little bit and all in here. That's my plan. And then I got a plasma cutter, which is, shoot, I forgot about that one. That one runs off the same cord, the same 220 line. So the 40 foot would be fine for that too. I'll be able to get all around in here. All right. So all this goes together, all that goes together over there. All right, so there's the big tower. There's so much oil on this thing. Guess it's so it doesn't rust while it's sitting in the warehouse. But there she is. So it's just an air line that has to go there. Yeah, that's another thing. The compressor is going to be right here. I might put the compressor over here now. But I got to frame all this. That's what's messing me up. And Amanda's coming here tomorrow. Sunday to do tires. She says she's going to do her 2 tires. She's going to test everything out. So, to get this stuff off of here, I don't know what we're going to do. Oh, is this the release? Yeah, this is the release. Yeah, it has a manual release on both sides. You got to walk to the other side. Oh, there's the safety. There it is. The bar going to be on the top over here. The bar on top of the truck will hit the bar. It will shut the lift off. All right. I'll be back Sunday. put all this together. You know, she's probably gonna want to do this stuff first, cause she ain't gonna lift the car up. So I want to do it all. Like if they're willing to stay with me in here till like 1, 2 in the morning, getting it done, we do it. We'll see what happens. I know she's gonna be excited and anxious to do it, so. Yeah, maybe she's right. Maybe I could, I don't know, put that right by the door there, like right there. Tire machine over here on this side. Yeah, maybe I'll do that and put all the rest over there. Compressor, welders, everything close to the box. Because this one runs off 110. What does this one run off of? I think this this has a motor on it. It's 110 also. Perfect. I got 20 amperes. Everything's 20 amps in here. This is how you can tell 20 amp. All the outlets with the slit on them. I passed all the inspections. Everything's GFI'd off 20 amp GFIs. Over here, and over here. All right. So let me get out of here. Oh, what a breeze. This is, I'm so glad that I put this back door. My wife was yelling at me, Diane, it's 95 degrees today. In here it's probably 60 degrees right now because of this breeze. Look at this. I don't know if you can hear it, but the air just comes right up from down there. And it's constant. It's constantly blowing right through with the door open. I don't even have windows open. All right, boys. Like and subscribe. I'll be back with the putting it together. I'll make this all one video. All right, boys. Got everybody here. Putting everything together. The, what do you call that? Wheel balancers together. Putting a tire machine together. And my son is scratching it, yes. My daughter don't like scratches. My son likes scratches. Danny don't give a shit. He's like me. Okay. So there's no real instructions. They give you a picture. So you gotta look at the pictures and figure it out yourself. So, like that, I know has to go on here. So, that's what we're gonna do now. Alright, let's put that on top here. Let me grab it with her, hold on. Alright, so we got that on there, we're putting the bolts on. Bring this back, why are you so close, baby? There we go, let me grab the wrench. You got the small wrench, Mike? No, the small one, that had a small one.
This tells you how much space you need to have from front and back.
How much is 700 millimeters? Ex-Google. Ex-Cuckoo. Google. Alright, we're bolting this down now. That arm goes on there over there, right?
Yeah, it goes right on there, yeah.
Alright, we're gonna tighten these bolts down here. It's raining, boys. We're gonna check for leaks in a minute. I'm really gonna check for. Danny, tighten those in. I wanna check the gutters. Put gutters on the building, boys and girls. You know that. Are they working? It's raining. I hear the rain inside, but it's not raining outside. What's going on? Only raining on the building? All right, Danny's tightened it up.
19 from this machine we need.
18 inches?
It needs to be 27 from that way and then 18 from this way.
All right.
And then 18 from the back there.
All right, the big holes must go on that there, right, Andy?
Yeah, but you gotta hook up everything else to hang it on.
All right, so you're gonna pull this pin. I'm gonna put that. You can get the nut off. Is there a nut on there? What is that?
I don't know, it's like a sleeve, I can't get it off.
All right, hold on, boys. I'll be right back. All right, boys. Got the second arm in here. This is the one that hooks on Danny's side there and cuts him open. All right. This has got to be the adjustment thingamajig over here.
Yeah, can you hold on to something?
Yes, ma'am.
No, it's gotta go tap this down.
Tap, tap, bang, bang. It's all tight, Danny?
Yeah, it's got to tighten this side.
All right, so I'm gonna guess that this goes hooked into here. Let me do that. All right, so Mike's gonna grab the big arm here. Big Tommy arm. Okay, he's walking on the side here. Up, he's swinging around like his father. All right, there you go. Does it look like it's gonna fit on that plate back there? Look at that plate. 1, 2, 3,
Yeah, I think that line.
4. Oh, it hangs off. All right, good. It's pouring in here, but outside there's no rain coming out. It's not raining. It's only raining on the building. And they gave you used washers. Look at this. It's all used shit. What they do here? Look at this. Used washers, boys. They must put it together and test it, maybe?
I would hope so.
Okay, we have Tommy Hercules over here.
Oh, it's got the plastic in there too. We gotta buy some of those.
Yeah, because they break after a while.
But this ain't no tire shop though.
Yeah, run one of these in there. You lined up. Back this way a little bit. Back to you a little bit. A little bit more.
What the fuck is that?
Right there. A little more up. Right there.
Oh, it's part of the house down there.
Get the strap.
Hold on, boys and girls. There's somebody getting murdered over here.
They're having a fucking kid's birthday.
All right, now keep it down. I'm in the building here. Thank you. Mayor of the block. Thank you. All right, boys. We're gonna tighten this down over here. I'm gonna take a coffee break. Okay, then we're gonna get on the lift. Danny, Mandy, and Mike said they'll stay here till midnight. Everybody should smile. They're not saying they're gonna stay here. What's going on?
You should have brought the impact down up here.
Yeah, I know.
Sockets.
I'm scared. Don't break anything. All right, what is this thingamajigger?
This has gotta get tight.
What? Yeah, don't forget nothing. Now, I guess those gotta come out, right? Those 3?
Yeah.
What does that feel like, man? Oh, I thought the whole thing was moving.
No, it's not tightened.
So this gotta come out, right?
Probably, yeah.
But
Which one?
what's gonna go on there?
You gotta tighten those down. With the other something.
All right, let me go get his ratchet for that. All right, guys. This is an octopus. Just to give you an idea how everything goes. This you can adjust. What's this for, Mandy? Oh, this is a helper. This helps you push the beads down, you see? Taka taka, tiki tiki, like that. This is, what's this for? It's to pull the wheel up. This is to help you take off the tire somehow. I'll figure it out later. Just so you know how it goes together. This thing goes in here. This whole thing slides up and down. There's a shaft that goes through this one. It fits it in there, and another shaft. I mean, same shaft fits through here. The bottom of the shaft is bored out, so this can go in. The bolt goes through. 4 bolts go down there. Put that on, and we're yet to figure out the plumbing down here. What? You stripping it? Let me see. Did it go on by hand? Huh?
No, that's it. The threads were rough. There's
All right.
paint on them.
All right, you gotta tighten it though.
Go ahead, I ain't
You think
stripping
it's gonna?
Also, the cheetah's just out there.
That's it.
Yeah, I don't know how you use it.
My daughter's worried about cheating, and this thing is cheetah, she said.
Switch that.
Tommy the cheetah. Ba-dam! Like that. Something goes on here, though.
No, it says it hooks on that hook back there.
Yeah, there's too many holes on it. Something has to bolt to it.
Fix that hose.
All right, what's the last piece?
Fix it.
You gotta go over.
What's this piece here? All right, this is a flux capacitor.
No, you gotta go over. We're only 23 and a half.
All right, we're 23 and a half. See, we got the measure in here. We're gonna move this over. But this goes where? On here? Yeah, Mandy, look. Look, Danny, special. I think this goes on here. We got no instructions. Oh, here?
No, it's gonna be like this.
It has a thing, you see? There you go, boys. We figured it out. It's an adapter of a cheetah captor. All right. All right, so there's that. And now we're gonna, that's that. And here's this is next. I got the bodies, so we're gonna stand them up in case they don't come tomorrow. Shop's getting small, boys. All right, so this needs to come over a little bit, right? Because you can't work all that. Is that going to be out of your way if you're doing a tire over there? No. You got to come this way a little bit.
Yeah, you gotta come
Yeah,
this
now
way
that
like
it's
4
extra
inches.
heavy.
All right, let me help him pull us over. All right, boys. The last piece was a leg. It goes there, so it don't tip over when this thing is activating. All right, I'm gonna go get a wrench for this and a wrench to put the pad on here. Allen keys. I'll be right back.
You insulate this?
Where they go? All right, so there he goes. It's all together. Gotta figure out the air lines. Then I gotta open it up because I don't see anything. All right, we're gonna start taking apart the lift now. Get that standing up. All right, we're jacking it up to get the lift out. This is heavier than the Titanic.
Put
All right.
this on the floor so they can put the edge on the wood.
All right, Danny's gonna operate the jacket. We're gonna twist it and we're gonna spin it out. Nah, that's a glaze. Yeah, bullshit job. All right, yeah, crank it up. All right, Mike. Can this come up? Hold on. Go ahead. Gonna crank it up like that. Mike's gonna spin his way, and that's it. We're out. How you doing? All right, I gotta get my hands on this, boys and girls. All right, do you know what this is the side with the pump, Andy, with the bracket? Right? So that goes on this side. All right, I'll be back. All right, boys. We got the one up here already. Got this. We're gonna get that. We're gonna lift this one up now. Gotta unbolt it, get it out of this. Yeah, get it over here. These cables are connected, right?
Yeah, they're right in here.
All right, so this is going right here. This is going right here now. Yeah. All right, so I guess I could just unbolt it here, get the metal off, Danny. We could just stand this one up. All three. We might not need that. Let me unbolt this over here. Mike, grab the gun and adjustable wrench.
Oh, maybe.
Easy, Danny. Danny broke leg McGirt. Go ahead. Go ahead, all the way out. Alright, throw the bolt right here. To the bottom one. Yeah, it's in there because of weight. It's gonna hit the ground now. Okay. Easy, just keep pressing the button. Easy. You should be able to get that out now. All right, just leave it on there. Leave it on there. You're gonna bust the concrete. All right, we're gonna grab it over here now. Well, let's unbolt this one then too, right? Yeah, you gotta get all these arms off. All right, I gotta give him a hand, boys. Hold on. All right, boys, we got the other one up there. Trying to figure out the width, whatever. And it is double piston, like what I wanted, so 12,000 pound hoist. All right. Right, Danny? Danny's foot is killing him, broke his foot. And I'm having I need sugar in me. All right, I'll be back. All right, we got the extension on, it's right to the ceiling.
Now you can fit sheetrock, but
A half inch,
you have to
maybe.
frame it. It goes to that wood, right?
Yeah, that's how high it is, a 14-foot ceiling. This thing is massive. All right, I gotta get the other one on, the other top piece on that one and put it back up. I wish one of you guys would come help us, but I guess you don't want to tell me where you live. All right, this is where we got for the day.
Yeah.
Everything's set up over there. Auto Kato lift. It's exactly 13 feet 10 inches. That leaves me room to sheetrock up there and everything. All right, I'll be back tomorrow. I'll drill the holes and level the post, get it bolted down, and probably run the line for the power. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. All right, guys. Came with these lift came with these anchors. Drill a 3/4 hole. Then you drive the pin through it, and it spreads that out. I'm having a hard time with this one. That's because it has to go through, you see? And my drill bit is not long enough. So I think the only thing I can do is tighten this to bring it up a little. Take it out of the ground just a little bit and try to hit it down. Think I got it, boys. I want this bad boy in there good. Then you tighten it. And you hear the lock washers. You hear them, right? You hear how these things are in there. I have to get the vise. What am I saying? Oh, whew. So you want another one here, and one there, and one there. Whew. I'm using good old Hilti, and I'm sweating my brains out here. So, yeah, I guess I'll have to drill to the bottom there. Yeah, you see, I'll do it like that. They want you drilling in 5 inches. They want you in 5 inches of concrete. I have 6 and 8 here. The bit is 6. So I'm going down 6 inches. I don't know what they want from me. So if I go 6, and then leave this up like this, then it gives it a little bit of room to go down through. thing I like to mention, I forgot to mention, I like to mention. Concrete's 20 days old. So he went all the way down. As much dust out of the way as possible, then blow the rest out. Then blow it away from you. Drop it in. Drop it in, hit it down. Whoop. He's all the way down. Drop the pin in, hit the pin in. Okay. That opens it up. Oh, ooh, that one's tight already. Oh, hold on a second. I need to get some tightness strength on this bad boy. Oh. 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 They say do not use an impact gun. That's why I'm not using the impact gun. I don't want it to rip them out. It says to torque them, but to what? What do you torque them to? And it's a little tiny bit off. I mean, like a 16th or something. But this way, they move. This way, yeah, move just a little bit. Move just a little bit. All right. Guess I gotta put some shims under there, which they didn't give me. They say to shim it, but they didn't give me shims. All right. All right, let's get these other two done and I'll be back. So you can clearly see that it's a little crooked, so that's where I have to be to mark up over there. That's 13 foot 1 inch 7/8. So that's where 13 foot 1 7/8 is. So after I put that bolt in, I take the bar like I did over there, stick it in here, and twist that. It'll twist right in place. That'll be nice and square. And the building is super square, so I measured off the ends in 99 inches and a quarter. All right, let me get these in. I'll be back. All right, the instructions ain't very clear, but I figured it out. The cable has to come up, hook to that one, go back down, around that pulley there, up, across the top pulley, down the pulley, to here. And the same thing over there, up, from there, down, around, up, over. Now we're figuring out the hydraulic hoses now. I'll give you a little nipple, like a 4-inch nipple, 5-inch nipple, put some Teflon on it. I'm using the, what is that, Blue Monster? And tighten it in there. You gotta spin the piston until you see the red cap. You have the red cap? You can show them the red cap? You'll see that cap. Stick your finger in it and pull it out. Then we're gonna figure out the whole situation here. All right, I think that's tight enough. All right, they gave me this one, right? This, I believe, is gonna go on this one. I don't believe it has to go on the outside there, it says. Hold this. Because this is going to go in here. I figured then go to the T. I'll probably go to the T and have a small one here. That's gonna connect. Here. Probably going to one side, or probably gonna come up, or like this. There is a hole inside there. And go like this. So it could be like this, you know? Alright, we're gonna look at some pictures real quick. I think that's what it goes. Then the big long one connects here, goes down, has another curve then that goes into there. I think that's it. Let me look at some pictures. Alright, there it is, guys. It's set up. I just gotta run the power in the box, up, over, down, lift to here. It's 220, but look at these wires. I could probably get away with a 14 wire on that. So I'll bring this back when I fire everything up, hook the power up, get everything going over here. I'm gonna have to move an outlet. If I move that one over here, tire machine and this can plug into the one outlet. That should be fine. Then I'll have this outlet here if I'm working on the wheel here, grinding it or something like that. I have an outlet there. Alright, so I'll bring you back when I fire everything up. Like and subscribe, boys. Leave a comment.